Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and if you're looking for the perfect little camping hatchet, you have to check out this one from Hitdudu. Now this hatchet is 14 inches, which makes it perfect for backpacking or taking camping. We especially use this for cutting kindling. It's a nice weight, it's well balanced, so it works really well for that. If you're an outdoorsman, you go quadding, you go off-roading, this is a really handy tool to have. Now, in addition, this can also be used as a throwing axe. We are definite newbies in this department, but you can have a lot of fun with it. It comes with a great protective sleeve as well. Ours arrived nice and sharp and ready to use. It has a forged stainless steel blade. The quality feels really great. The handle is coated in rubber, so you have a really good grip. You're not slipping when you're trying to chop wood. Overall, this is a really great camping hatchet. The price is right, it's nice and portable, and we're very pleased with it, and that's my point of view.